Hey, what's up, everybody? I know it's been a while since we've had a word on the walk. I'm loving this cool fall air, and I want to share 3 words with you: mixy, messy, and confusion. All those words described one single thing that we're all used to hearing: drama, right? How many of you find yourself caught up in drama, unnecessary drama? You kind of asking yourself, how you still getting caught up in drama during the pandemic? You shouldn't even be around a whole bunch of people. Well, let me remind you, if there is drama around you, too much drama, then you need to pray earnestly for the Holy Spirit, because God is not a God of confusion. He doesn't get caught up in messy. He doesn't get caught up in that kind of stuff. If it starts to get messy, you know what God does? He calls for a restoration, for healing. And sometimes that looks like cutting some things off or some people off. So I want to encourage you and ask you to take a good assessment of your situations in your life around you. And if it's full of drama, mixiness, messiness, muddiness, any other synonym you want to find for confusion, you need to pray earnestly: Lord, what do I need to cut out? What do I need to get rid of? Right? Ask yourself that question. Get out of the mixy stuff, man.